Hi there, this is Fakir Yogi Brendrogi, a motivational director by instinct, by passion, by love and affection towards the human being. I want to transform every ordinary mortals from bestial attitude, from the ignorant, arrogant, indolent, thoughtless humans into a human being who is rational, who understands the value of his sound physical maintenance and also using the positive mind, dedicated, committed to become useful, productive, creative human being. That's the topic I'm going to discuss in the second chapter of my motivation. Beloved friends, to maintain a sound physical health, I will teach you how to play different sports. I play tennis. I also go for jogging, walking, swimming, shuttle playing. So many games I play. Beyond that all, I also concentrate on yogasana, the body postures, how to maintain your body, every systems of your this intricate and accurate machine, what we call human body, in the perfect working condition. And for this I am teaching you yogasana. Through yoga, asana, what I mean the body postures, different organs, tissues, cells, limbs, all the systems of your body, skeletal, muscular, cardiovascular, nervous, digestive system, reproductive system, respiratory system, and so on and so forth, all get supremely charged, massaged, and you will never be falling sick. So I also take the challenge to teach you different asanas, different postures. That way you will be also very healthy. Because health is everything. Health is everything. There is nothing beyond health. Health means you are strong. Your every system is perfect. You are using your mind, you are using your body. That is nervous system. And all those kind of systems, digestive, excretory systems, endocrine, every system. So yoga, I can make you pure and fit. And next comes pranayama. Through pranayama, dear friends, I will teach you breathing technique. And breathing is directly related with your mind. Under different conditions, your breathing becomes different. When you are fearful or afraid, you start breathing very fast. When you are romantic, also breathe very fast. So if you learn how to control your breath, you will be really concentrating what you want in life, and mind will support you and mind will favor you to really attain whatever you want in life. And to create all the adverse conditions, the fear, the doubt, the anger, the hate, the greed and cynicism, I will teach you to inculcate, to sow the seed of pure thoughts in your mind, because you will never be an evil person. You will never be an evil person. Evil thoughts you will always eliminate from your life. You will always be a divine person with godly thoughts. And several times I have told you godly thoughts means truth, justice, peace, love, non-violence, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity, cooperation, teamwork, disciplined mind, engage in a labor of love, committed, dedicated, persevering, persisting, striving, seeking, always through different ways and means to become very creative and useful and productive person. That training I will give you in your mind, that is called hold all these beautiful thoughts, that is called dharana, and then contemplate, meditate on these beautiful thoughts, that is called meditation. Because whatever seed of thought you are planting in your mind, and you always nourish those seeds, that you call also an idea. The idea become very powerful in the course of time. First you nourish your ideas, noble thoughts, and then these noble thoughts will be converted into your habits. And the habits will transform itself into your conditions and circumstances. And you will be the master of your fate and captain of your soul. So bottom line, the summary. The second chapter of motivation deals with how to make your body very strong and how to make your mind well directed, controlled, very disciplined, coordinated, coherently working towards attaining the definite goal of your life, and that is physical, mental, spiritual and emotional balance, and also becoming very useful and productive, so that you will have no dearth of money. You will never be sick, you will never be miserable in your life, because all these evils comes from our evil thinking. That I will eliminate. And all these good things comes from our good thinking. Good thought brings good results. Evil thinking brings evil results, bad results. Thank you, viewers.